this is the Rockin' Oven Pizza. Very good pizza. Actually, just going up there. And the Helping Animals to Survive Project hats.
I thought enough we did our...
Two very great things. Great pizza and great people down the hats, man.
Is this your new sponsor?
Yeah, new sponsor.
There you go. That's what's up. He's getting sponsored by them. Look at him. 902 Conover Boulevard, East Conover, North Carolina. He said Rockin' Oven Pizza. Go get you some.
Yeah, go get yourself some pizza, man. Good wings, too. Good wings. I should just going out there, man. Check out Lincoln County's Helping Animals to Survive as well.
Okay, here we go. We got that, too. They actually come out to my house and built the fence for my kid. Or for my dog. Might as well be my kid. But yeah, my dog out back, they come out here and built a fence for it because they said they was wanting to get the dogs off the leashes and get them in some fences. So there you go.
Very
all right.
Good project, man.
All right, we're going to see how you're going to do tonight.
Yeah.
You gonna put her in winter circle?
I hope so. I hope so.
You're going to try. You're going to run in Kaidyn's class, junior gold.
Yep,
So.
check out Rockin' Oven Pizza.
There you go, Rockin' Oven Pizza.
We changed one thing here, the new restart zone is in turn 3 and 4. There are 2 black lines, one black line in 3, and the other one halfway into 3. There's also 2 yellow posts to the inside. That is now the restart zone. Okay? The cadet kids, we're going to stop you guys on the back stretch, line you up, and then you guys are going to go to turn 3, where Craig will be, and Craig is going to give you the green flag from there. So we're going to stop you this time on the back stretch, get you lined up, this way we're not all bunched up in one corner. Understood? That's for my 2 cadet classes only. Okay? Race steamers are going to be mandatory after this race. So if you don't have a race steamer, you can go to Racing Radios in Lawrenceville and grab yourself a race steamer, but they will be mandatory for every class and every person out there. If you do not have a race steamer, we will pull you off the track.
Kaidyn, let's go.
Kevin, ain't that a hammer?
Let's go.
There you go. Stay with it, big boy. Stay with it, baby. It's a daggone race right here.
Come on.
Get it.
Come on, Kaidyn.
Boy, help is on the way. Come on, Kaidyn. Which one is he? Come on, Kaidyn.
Come on, Kaidyn. Just keep driving it. Come on, buddy. Come on, Kaidyn. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Come on, Kaidyn. Come on, Kaidyn. Just keep driving it. Come on, Kaidyn. Let's go. Come on, Kaidyn.
Ching-cha-chingery, money, oh money, how I love thee. Cha-ching, cha-chong, cha-chang.
Man, what a night. Kaidyn went out there tonight, he drove the wheels off that thing. We run 13 twos in the practice. Makai run like a 13-0. So then we come out for the heat race, Kaidyn, we changed some stuff around the cart, and the cart slowed down to like a 13-4. Makai run 13-0s. So then we go to, and going out for the main, I changed the seat location, moved the weight around the cart. Kaidyn run 13-3s again. Makai run 13-2s, but he couldn't get around old Kaidyn. Kaidyn was driving the wheels off. He taught him a lesson. He hit him on the start. On the start, he hit that gas before he did, opened her up, wore him out. It was so fast around through there. Makai and them got upset about it. They had to protest the boy. Ended up protesting. We lost the protest because Kaidyn's motor is outdated. So he got outrun by a go-kart that's outdated, an old Helix, an old wore-out motor,
Old tires.
old last year's tires. We don't even got the Hoosiers on the go-kart. We still got the damn Burses on it. Got old tires, old go-kart, and a boy that has a heart to win. Man, you look at this old outdated piece of junk right here. Still has the stamps on it, look. Still got the stamps on it with the holograph. They said it ain't got some little black ring around it. Well, look, untouched. Here's a dinosaur. Man, could you imagine if he'd have had a new go-kart on this thing? Look at that slide. If it had a new motor on that go-kart, God, if I'd have known this motor was outdated, you know what I'd have done? If I'd known that motor was outdated like that, we'd have put him on a hot rod. Could you imagine how fast he'd go around there if his go-kart wasn't wore out? His tires wasn't old. He's on still on bursts. Them boys on Hoosiers. They all had Hoosiers on it. He took them old bursts on that old wore out Helix chassis, old dinosaur, beat up go-kart, beat up body, beat up wheels, wore out tires, wore out old motor, and still put that thing in victory circle. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you on later. Thank you.